This is the FP8 Health and Fitness Smartwatch. It really does a great job with all of your biometrics. You get your basic step count, heart rate information, calories burned. In addition, you can land on this page, see your temperature history over the past half a day, and you can categorize this from the app to take your readings every 10 minutes all the way up to once an hour. It gives you your live current temperature right there and your time of day on the watch face as well. You've got the same thing going on this time now with heart rate. There's your calibrated chart and your current readings over the past whatever time period you've had it on. It doesn't read when you take it off, and it'll give you your heart rate display right there in white against black, easy to see outdoors. This is where you can touch the electrode on the side and generate an ECG chart. Yep, there's two electrodes on the back, this one on the side where my finger of my opposite hand, make sure that it's got a circuit through my heart, will allow me to get this actual chart. And it doesn't work if you take your finger off, but once you got the whole thing, you can actually transfer that to the app and get a full artificial intelligence interpretation of what that heart rate wave looks like and means. Here you got blood pressure, okay, systolic over diastolic. You can see that there. You'll get your current reading. This one is your blood oxygen, and yep, it uses the red diode, infrared diode, green diode. It uses the whole color spectrum back there to get you the best reading possible. That's blood oxygen, and all of these, you just land on it and leave it. You don't have to press buttons or do anything. It'll do the readings automatically. RPM, that's your respiration per minute. That's how many breaths you take. And in this world where we're concerned about oxygen intake and health of lungs in a COVID environment, your breath rate might be a critical and important thing. There it is, 15 for me right now. I got a sports section. It's not that robust. You do running and cycling and fitness and stuff. No GPS. Not really something I'd recommend if you really want to do sports. But as you can see, for health, it's great. You got a good weather app in here. And this page is all of the stuff you just looked at all put together. And you could get to that right from the watch face by going that direction, because they all circle around, okay? And if you want to go up and see them in text style, you've got it right here as well, including a timer, stopwatch. You've got remote music and remote camera on here as well. A lot of different watch faces selectable right here from the watch, and a TPU band that lets you sweat like Mr. Tix does. Apple style with a round knob. Doesn't do anything when you rotate it, but it's a round button, and then the pill button looking electrode for collecting your ECG report. All in all, it's a very nice, very sophisticated, very accurate. Wait till you see the full review on the app. Smartwatch. It's called the FP8. Check it out.